Alright guys, this is it up close. You can adjust the level right here by twisting this piece, and you have your different sizes that can fit in through. This monster of a box is a wire stripper, and I am absolutely excited to be testing this out because I love stripping wires, and I've been doing it with a little hand one for so long. It's time to upgrade. A couple things to know. This is not a toy, and this is not just your run-of-the-mill. This is professional. So we're gonna show you guys up close here. Make sure you check out the bottom of your box for accessories and gloves and your manual. So in the bottom of the box, you'll have that stuff. So again, guys, it's just gonna take a little bit to get used to. All right, and stop it. Since we got a plug on the end here, we stopped it right away. And you guys can kind of see where it cut the line. So we didn't have it deep enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that back out and go deeper. So again, it's all just trial and error until you get used to it. The key will be to place it directly down in. So on the back here, push it down, place it down in, and now we're gonna slowly bring the blade down. This time we're gonna go a little lower, a little more pressure just to see if it's going to cut. All right, we did it really quick here and we let off. So it's pretty deep. We might go a little bit deeper just to split it a little better. So we give it a little more tighten up. And a little tip, have this bracket down so the wire wants to be at a little bit of an angle facing up. If you have this bracket up and there's room to wiggle, it will come off to the side. Perfect, here we go. So it is stripping. You guys can see it, the line stripping. We're gonna stop it here at the end and stop. So normally you would want this cut off so you don't ruin your machine, but we're pretty good at this. So as you guys see, we actually cut down into the center, which is great. All right, now you can see that we stripped our wire. Now we're just gonna simply pull out the inner wires that are inside here, and then we're gonna actually strip them. So it's all trial and error. I found out that if you put it down at the bottom, it actually works best. So keep it at the bottom and then have it up like that. You want to apply pressure, but not too much pressure that you actually split the line. So you can kind of gauge it a little bit so you can see down in. It's probably about good. All right. So just like that, we got this one perfect now. So we didn't cut the line at all. We just simply cut the rubber. So you want to play with it. It's going to take some time, guys. So start out with your cheaper cables and go from there. This was the line that we threaded or stripped. And now we have the smaller wires. So overall, guys, this thing works amazing.